YouTube, we back. Got the box here at the house. Brought it home last night. We're gonna take it out for a ride today. First ride, first drive. Hadn't rode it, drove it, nothing. Since I bought it, really just from shop to shop. So let me get this thing crunk up and we're gonna ride.
I got more stuff.
Third wheel ain't shaking.
What steps you got? Bananas.
Pretty good ride.
Damn. I need to stop it, man.
You better take it out of town wherever I want to go.
Let's get some free with them.
Got the truck clean. Clean as it's gonna get. Had to wash it up. Get it back clean. It was dirty. This used to be Old Faithful right here. Get me all my wheels, whatever I'm gonna get. This was the truck. And the rain seems like it's gonna come. So we're gonna have to end this video. Truck cleaned up back up. She been dirty for a minute. Cleaned it up. Got the black truck cleaned up. Yes, sir. Cleaned back up now. Look pretty good. And hit the inside on them. Still ain't the greatest. It's cleaned up a little bit better than what it was. But we out here in the yard still. Got old Frosty. Frosty snowman right there. Good old Frosty. See, when they let that top back, it just melt. And we got old Dr. Seuss. Good old Dr. Seuss right there. Dr. Seuss. donks, they both 75s. Then we got old FrogHorn Leghorn right here. FrogHorn Leghorn. Got old, you know who this is. This Casper. Casper the friendly ghost. Got them dabbies on there. I ain't made no sticker for this truck yet, but you know what he call it. It's Barry White right there. Alright, YouTube. The rain wouldn't let us be great today, so he ended up putting the cars back up. Just wants to keep raining on and off all day. But I did go pick up some more wheels from my homeboy. I'll show them to you when I get back to the house. Some little 20s for a work car. And that's it for the day. Ain't nothing we can do with all this rain going on, so I can't finish my stuff on my cars.